Remember PancakeSwap? The DeFi giant that once ruled BNB chain? Well, it's back. And this time, it's not just flipping pancakes. Cake is breaking out of a massive consolidation pattern, and the charts are screaming one thing: potential 300% upside. Meanwhile, PancakeSwap just launched new liquidity models, trading volume is spiking across 9+ chains, and it's now top 3 on Base. This is more than a price pump, it's a full-on DeFi revival. Today, I'll show you the breakout, the key metrics, the ecosystem updates, and why smart money is watching Cake closely. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know if Cake is your next 10x DeFi play. Let's dive in. Base has officially become a decentralized exchange powerhouse, clocking in $140 billion in trading volume year-to-date. That's not a typo. $140 billion. And who are the top 3 decentralized exchanges on Base? Aerodrome, Uniswap, and yes, PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap isn't just surviving, it's scaling. While many DEXs are stuck on one chain, Cake is trading across 9+ chains right now. And with its presence on Base increasing fast, it's now playing in the same league as DeFi Elite. The market is starting to notice. But is the token ready to move? Let's break down this weekly chart of Cake USD. A long descending triangle finally broken to the upside. The breakout? Clean. The volume? Confirming. We're sitting around $2.30, just above the 236 Fibonacci level at $1.92. That's our main support. The initial significant resistance level is at the 618 Fibonacci extension. But what happens next could surprise you. Here are the next Fibonacci targets. Our first take-profit zone is at $4.50, TP2 at $6.60, and TP3 at $10. That's a potential 330% move if we hit TP3. And the confluence? The Heikinashi RSI, or HARSI, is turning bullish, and the VRVP, or volume profile, shows a strong demand zone between $2 and $2.80. With an appropriate stop-loss near $1.50, this risk-reward scenario appears highly favorable. This is not financial advice, but this chart is printing one word: opportunity. So, if you've been sleeping on Cake, it might be time to wake up. Most people see PancakeSwap and think, isn't that just for BNB? But the data says otherwise. Cake ranks number 1 in 7-day DEX trading volume with $29 billion. It's ahead of many consolidated platforms and gaining ground on Radium and Orca. It also recently entered the top 10 DEX tokens by market cap, beating out DYDX and even Thorchain. And in terms of innovation, well, PancakeSwap just rolled out infinity pools, offering 2 powerful models: CLAMM, or concentrated liquidity within price ranges, and LBAMM, that means liquidity split into bins for zero slippage trades. Translation: more capital efficiency, better LP returns, less impermanent loss. These are the same mechanics powering platforms like Uniswap v3 and v4, Trader Joe v2, or Meteora. But now it's baked into Cake. Multi-chain style. PancakeSwap isn't playing catch-up. It's evolving. Let's talk fundamentals. Cake's total value locked sits at $178 million, and it's one of the few platforms offering up to 554% APR on certain pairs. Revenue? It's real. PancakeSwap ranks in the top 15 projects by 30-day revenue, pulling in over $19 million. That's more than Coinbase Wallet, Radium, and even Jupiter. It's not just hype, it's cash flow. And where there's protocol revenue, there's long-term token value, especially with Cake's burn mechanics in play. Now, if this is the kind of alpha you love, then you're going to want to grab my ebook, DeFi Financial Freedom, the ultimate beginner's guide. It's just $4.99 and packed with everything you need to start earning passive income through DeFi. How to stake cake like a pro. Best yield farms without rug pulls. How to find legit airdrops before they go viral. Real DeFi strategies that compound over time. No fluff. No hype. Just value. Link in the top pinned comment. If you're serious about multiplying your crypto, this is your next move. Here's what blew my mind. In the last 30 days, PancakeSwap had over 4.4 million users, 1.6 million trades, and a community of 2.4 million people. That's not a project with potential. That's a project with momentum. It's not a ghost chain. It's one of the most active platforms in crypto, period. When you zoom out, one thing becomes clear. Cake has been sleeping, building, and is now reawakening. It's got the chart set up, it's got the multi-chain exposure, and it's got a product people actually use. The market cap is still under $800 million. So if DeFi rotates back into favor, Cake could easily lead the charge. But as always, do your own research. If this video helped you, smash that like button. Drop a comment. Is Cake in your portfolio? Or are you still stacking Ethereum and Bitcoin only? And make sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss my next video. Watch the previous video linked here on screen to catch up. Let's get those DeFi yields, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Stay sharp, stay yield hungry.